Hi, I'm Davin from SanDisk Product Marketing. Let me show you how to transfer photos and videos to your wireless stick. Connect to your device and open the mobile app. Click the plus sign. Select the items you want to transfer. Click Next. Select the destination folder and click Copy Here. Once complete, you will see a success message. Congratulations, you can now transfer photos and videos. Hi, I'm Davin from SanDisk Product Marketing. Let me show you how to connect your wireless stick. Before you begin, install the SanDisk Connect mobile app and turn on your wireless stick. Click on Settings, select the network that starts with SanDisk Connect, open the SanDisk Connect app. It will automatically connect. Congratulations! You can access and save your content.